the key determinant for success is going to be, do you have the appropriate data in the pilot? Can you securely ensure that that data does not spill across stakeholders that need to be accessing it? And then can you provide auditability and visibility across that? Hi, my name is Brett Conrad, and I lead U.S. Public Sector. I'm joining you today live from BoxWorks, our end user conference, where we just launched the most innovation in my 11 years at the company. We launched revolutionary AI capabilities that will drive and power your mission as public sector agencies. One announcement we launched was Box Extract. Think of Box Extract as an intelligent AI agent that is pre-built that can extract out details from any of your citizen-facing or employee-facing file submission processes, such as claims, complaints, licensing, permitting, the list goes on. All of these documents flowing into your agency, and now we can pull insights out of these files to easily allow your caseworkers or other employees to pull the appropriate structured data out of these files to power processes downstream. So you can think about all of your files being uploaded to a system like Box, and now you have AI-powered insights from all of these documents that have historically been very challenging to deal with. Once those documents come in, we launched a Box Automate. Box Automate is a revolutionary AI-powered workflow engine that allows you to combine pre-built Box AI agents as well as your agency-specific agents that would be able to power an end-to-end process with routing workflow. So as an example, we showed a demonstration in which contracting documents could be uploaded into Box. You could pull out the contracting details and assess the appropriate information. And then you could then run a contract analysis agent to go and find key details across a very large swath of agency contracts. And then all of this information is going to be exposed in Box's no-code, low-code platform, Box Apps, which we announced some incredible innovation for, such as dashboard views and data visualization, AI-powered searches and agents built into the Box Apps view. And the impact of this is incredibly significant. So you have all these paper and file-specific processes across government that need to be modernized. And now we're able to intelligently pull information out of these files as part of a process. We're able to power a workflow across stakeholders within your department. And then ultimately, we're able to visualize this in a dashboard so you can provide visibility back to your key stakeholders at scale. And all of this in an easy-to-build platform. One key area that Box has always been proud of is our extensibility of our platform. So we see many government agencies that are in the pilot stage testing out Gen AI models. And really, when we look at project success across a lot of these AI pilots, the key determinant for success is going to be, do you have the appropriate data in the pilot? Can you securely ensure that that data does not spill across stakeholders that need to be accessing it? And then can you provide auditability and visibility across that? So, one key area that we will spotlight time and time again for our customers is how easy it is to point a model of your choice at your content and to power an agentic process off of that content. So we know in government, no model is going to solve all of your mission needs, but we are going to provide that flexibility as a platform to bring the model of choice that you need. One area we've been leaning in heavily is teaching your teams how to actually use the Box platform to solve these. So whether it's prompting on a single file, prompting on multiple files, building an AI agent, or using our pre-built AI agents, we are here and can partner with you to make sure that data security is in mind and compliance is in mind for your very sensitive data. And rest assured that our AI platform is FedRAMP High approved, as well as StateRAMP High approved to power your mission workflows. So the big takeaway from BoxWorks today is we are going to be able to programmatically pull details out of your unstructured data at scale, and then we are able to feed your agency-specific platforms with that structured data using our AI tools. And we are going to be able to power repeatable processes across your agency as it pertains to business process automation around content-centric use cases. So I am incredibly excited to share these updates when we are going to be bringing BoxWorks to you via the Box Public Sector Summit, which will be on October 22nd. It will be a virtual summit. We will be walking through sessions highlighting each of these product announcements that we've launched today. We will have government speakers talking about the impact that these technologies will have on their solutions. And we will have tailored and customized product demonstrations for both state and local and Box federal agencies, both federal, civilian, and DoD agencies, where we will contextualize these AI capabilities to your mission. And I think a big piece that we see that's incredibly important in this space is agencies are slightly overwhelmed by the amount of AI tools that exist in the ecosystem. And we're going to really show you how you can provide a safe, secure environment for all of your files, and how we can securely point AI models at your files to power your workflows, and whether that's a single query, whether that's an AI agent prompt, all of that will be within the hands of your end users as well as your IT administrators. So we're super excited about these announcements, and we're incredibly excited to be able to bring this innovation to our agencies. And we would love to have you join the Box Public Sector Summit on October 22nd. And from here, please register. Thank you.